Hey y'all. Hi, hey, it is T. I am back with another video, and today we're actually doing a line that I have been excited to try, and this is Khlova Hair Care, y'all. Yes, Khlova Hair Care, spelled K-H-L-O-V-A, Khlova Hair Care. The brains behind this wonderful company is Vanessa Mason. I have corresponded back and forth with her several times. She reached out to me and she wanted me to try her products, and I said, okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do this for you, and I'm going to try it. And plus, I'm always excited to try new products anyway. So shout out to my girl Vanessa at Khlova Hair Care. Thank you so much for sending everything. And I am actually going to just talk a little bit about what the products are and how I'm going to use them today. So let's get right to it. To start with today is the Khlova Pumpkin Seed Intense Moisturizing Softening Conditioner. Now, I thought this was a rinse out actually, but it turns out it was actually you could actually deep condition with this. So I was a little fooled at first, but I read the directions and then I said, oh, okay, you know, I can go on and use this, and I'm very excited to try it. I smelled it. It smelled really, really good. So, and it's cute. It's a little. But yes, this is the Khlova Pumpkin Seed Intense. Yes. On to, when I come out of the shower, I'm going to use this as a leave-in. This is going to be the Avocado and Aloe Refreshing Tonic. Now, you can use this in a multitude of ways. You can use it for wet or dry hair, twist braids, wash and goes, whatever. You can use it as a body spray as well, which I thought was very interesting. I love how this has a multi-purpose. It smells really good, and on top of that, I think it would be nice to kind of mist my curls. I like to do like a curl refresher in the morning, especially when my hair is dry, but this is going to be great while wet, especially when I prep to do the twist out. Yes, I'm going to do a twist out with this, so I'm very excited to try. Most excited about, and that's going to be the Khlova Curl and Defining Cream. Yes, the Curl and Defining Cream here, and this has a nice blend of shea butter, olive oil, and avocado oil. And I'll talk a little more about the products as I go, but just to give you a brief intro, and you can use this for, I think, wet and dry hair as well. And you can use it for wash and goes. You can use it for twist braid outs, and coincidentally I'm doing a twist out, so it's going to work beautifully. And so I'm going to do this, and I'm going to actually, it's a very thick butter. It's very thick consistency, so, and my hair loves thick products. Yay! This reminds me a lot of my Cantu when I first started, so that's why I got really excited, because I was like, you know, it kind of takes me back to when I first went natural. So yeah, got that right here. In case y'all didn't see that there, see? There you go. I'm going to finish it off, and I'm going to unravel my twist with the Khlova Hibiscus and Avocado Conditioning Oil. And this is really, really nice too. It has a nice amount of different oils: avocado, castor, sweet almond, grapeseed, coconut oil, vitamin E, and fragrance. There's a little bit of fragrance in there to make it smell kind of pretty and stuff. But and this can also be used, you know, if you want to do, you could probably pre-poo with this as well, but you can use it as a scalp treatment and massage, put it onto your hair to help seal your moisture in. And I am a big believer in the LCO method. I tried the lock method, but it turns out my hair favors the LCO method, which is the liquid cream and oil. So this is going to be definitely in line with what I'm going to do today, and I am so excited to try this wonderful bundle of products. And once again, Vanessa, I thank you for sending this over. You have no idea how excited I am to try these things. I am just going to have a blast just, you know, going through this tutorial today. But all right, but guess what? You guys need to stay tuned. Without further delay, I'm going to get right to the video. So I'm going to see y'all in a bit, and then we're going to come back with the results soon, okay? So I'll see y'all later. I'll see you in a little bit. Bye.
Alright, so we're going to start with the Pumpkin Seed Deep Conditioner. And I'm just putting some into my hands. Love the smell of this stuff. And so I'm just going to apply it into my hair via the prayer hands motion. And guys, let me tell you, instantly I was getting slip, especially in my crown area, which is like the toughest part. Look at my face. But yes, I actually got really awesome detangling and slip from this. The conditioner is so thick, creamy, and it really helped me out a lot. Like, I didn't really have to do a lot of work as far as detangling the hair. The curls are shingling amongst themselves. It's great overall. I love the feel of it, how nourishing it felt, you know, smelled great, you know, especially really, like I said, in that crown area, it really made a difference. So I'm just two-strand twisting it out of the way, and plus that excess product you see, I'm just recycling it among the hair as I go along. And I'm going to put it under 3 shower caps. Yes, my hair is that thick, and I'm going to go under the dryer for at least a half an hour. Okay, I'm back now and I'm rinsing, and the rinse out was amazing. Curl definition is sick, and it was easy to wash out. Sorry, my camera got a little foggy there because of the steam, but yes, you can see the curls are defining, looks really good. And now we're moving on to the twist out part. So this is post wash, after I dry my hair with my t-shirt, and I'm actually just sectioning the hair out of the way to get started. I typically do 4 sections, and sometimes I will do 5 or 6 depending on how intense I need to do the sectioning as far as the crown is concerned. But yeah, and look at the definition. All right, so I'm going in with the Avocado and Aloe Refreshing Tonic, which is basically a mist, and you can use it as a body mist as well, as I stated previously in the video. And I like that it's going in and really opening up the cuticle for the hair. And then I'm going in with my curl and defining cream to start the twist out in the section. Applying some kind of on the outer layer of the hair, and then I always work my way in. That's the way that I like to moisturize or apply cream or product in other videos. And then I'm going to make some small subsections. Use my Denman brush to smooth out the hair. And then I'm going to start twisting. If you guys actually want a slowed down video or instruction on how to do the twists, you could go into my dry twist out video. I break it down a little slower, but this is just pretty much me just twisting. Two-strand twist as I go all the way down to the end of the hair, and then I curl around for just a little bit of curl and to stop the twist from unraveling. And then now I'm going to move on to the next one, and I'm going to briefly show you again in case you missed it. And two-strand twist all the way down. And the trick is to keep your twists nice and consistent and neat as possible. Okay, so I'm just going to speed up this bad boy, and I'm just doing the same thing throughout all the sections. So just keep on watching. And I'm pretty much finishing up now. I did my twist kind of skinny, medium sized. I didn't really want to go big for this one because I wanted more definition, and actually it's going to be very fast, but I'm going to show you that I'm going to go in with my hibiscus and avocado conditioning oil, and I'm going to seal the twist in. Alright, so now it's time for the takedown. This is actually the next day. Don't be fooled by the same shirt, but this is the next day. And I'm actually going to go in with that oil once again, and I'm going to smooth out the hair and also get ready to take down. Adding oil to your takedown reduces frizz. And I'm doing a little ponytail to section the hair away as I go. I find it to be a lot easier. So I'm just going to show you really quickly just a slowed down version of my takedown, and I'm just pretty much just removing the twist with one strand. I find that this is often neater. And guys, look at the definition. I'm loving it though. I feel like I could work on my technique a little bit. Twist outs are actually something I still have to practice, but I feel that the products overall did a great job. And so I'm actually going to continue, and this isn't going to take very long. Okay, and the twists are out, but I'm just going to go in and separate them much further. So I put them back in that ponytail and just worked on each individual curl, basically. Alright, so this is the finished product. These products are amazing. I love the definition, how soft my hair felt after a wet twist out. It doesn't feel coarse at all. The back looks great. Despite that, I need practice with my twist out. But Vanessa, thank you so much. I love the products. I enjoyed this whole entire process. And you guys, this is it. But all right, so you guys watched into the end. You guys can get my exclusive discount code. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll have more information about the products and my contact information if you have any questions or comments. All right, see you guys later. Bye.